Good afternoon, everyone. Aaron here at 510 Bender with another episode of Datsun Every Day. Today's episode of Datsun Every Day, we're going to do a quick walk around on my new 1969 Datsun 1300. So we did some work for a customer, and in lieu of his bill, he decided he wanted to trade me for another Datsun. So we got a 1969 Datsun 521. Check out this patina. Is that not the coolest thing ever? Right down to the iron oxide. We don't know when the last time it was registered was. Very original truck. Very decent condition considering its age. You know, overall, it's got its dents, its dings. This truck was originally purchased in Bend, Oregon. We know this because if you look inside, we have the original books. They're in tattered condition. And if you look at this one, we even have the original warranty card, and it does say Bend, Oregon. And if we look over here at the warranty book, we see Jim Smolich Motors, so Smolich Nissan Datsun. This truck had every single warranty job done up until 1971. It was at 22,957 miles or kilometers. So 22,000, that 45,000 is arguably accurate. We're not 100% sure on that. Don't quote me on that, but that is arguably accurate. Let's take a look here. Floorboard, the snap doesn't want to unsnap, and I don't want to rip it. So we're going to skip the floorboards. Overall, all original. Seat is obviously all original. Headliner has got, it's wonderful. It's just got one little boo-boo right there. Aside from that, that headliner is immaculate. We still have the dome light cover. That's pretty rare. We still have the original radio delete plate that says Datsun on it. The dash has seen better days. Uh-oh. Oh, there it goes. Yeah. Originally, we were told this ran when parked. Something I want to note here is the condition of this grill. That grill is almost immaculate. We got one little tiny ding right here. Aside from that, that grill is immaculate. And J-Series. So J13. Last time this had an oil change, it had a genuine Nissan oil filter put on it. This is why I'm wondering if that mileage is not accurate. That might even have a mileage marker on it somewhere. Inner fenders, all good. Battery tray, not gone. Not great. It's funny, these ones didn't have the other supports. Something that is intact and appears to even have, doesn't have any liquid in it, but it's there. Yeah, pretty stoked, guys, pretty stoked. So here we go. All we're going to do to this for now is get some fresh rubber on it so they're safe to drive on. It might not be these wheels, I'm not 100% sure. We're going to work on the brakes. the hydraulics of the clutch and slave. And from there, we're just going to try and get her running. I have over on the bench over here an intake for a Weber carburetor and a header. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget, Datsun every day.